Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm starting with a new book, How to Win Friends and Influence People. It took me a little time to decide should I do this book or the other one, the little book that beats the market. I although want to grasp some skills from this book, basically because no matter what you do and in what walk of the life phase are you in, basically dealing with people is what you wanna encounter each and every moment of your life. So to make the best of it, let's find out how it is done. Okay, so the very first point is no criticism. Criticism is futile because it puts a person on the defensive and usually makes him try to justify himself. Criticism is dangerous because it wounds a person's precious pride, hurts his sense of importance, and arouses resentment. When just remember when someone would have criticized you, first you think that how could someone talk to me like that? Second, you feel if that person is right or wrong, no matter what. Second, you feel that you're not important. How could someone talk to me like that? We just can't get over it. And no matter what, in what sense you might have criticized the other person, you meant it or not, the words you said might be forgotten, but the way you made that person feel will never be forgotten. The feeling that they felt while you criticize them will always be associated with you. The moment they see you is the moment they're gonna feel what they felt before. So make sure we never criticize anyone. Okay, why? We assume that humans are rational behaving animals, assuming we are the most sophisticated and evolved animal creatures on the planet. But sadly, when we are dealing with people, just let us remember we are not dealing with creatures of logic. We are dealing with creatures of emotion, creatures bristling with prejudices and motivated by pride and vanity. So, Benjamin Franklin, tactless in his youth, became so diplomatic, so adroit at handling people that he was made American ambassador to France. The secret of his success? I'll explain ill of no man. I will speak ill of no man, he said, and speak all the good I know of everybody. So basically, any fool can criticize, condemn, and complain. And most fools do. But it takes a character and self control to be understanding and forgiving. A great man shows his greatness by the way he treats his little men. I don't think there's something more to add. And before you criticize them, read one of the classics of American journalism, Father Forgets. It is an amazing one. It is even in this book, obviously, not the whole one, the whole letter, but one of the best ones I've ever read. Do go through it. Okay, last but not the least, let us just make a promise to ourselves that we shall never criticize anyone ever again by commenting below in the video because instead of condemning people, let us just try to understand them. Let's try to figure out why they do what they do. That's a lot more profitable and intriguing than criticism, and it breeds sympathy, tolerance, and kindness. To know all is to forgive all. So, principle number one, do not criticize, condemn, or complain. So, that's all for this video. I hope we pick up the skill. I know it is easier said than done, but while I am trying to pick up some skills from this book, I hope you do too and share it among everyone of your friends, family, anyone, a kid, a uncle, no matter what. Everyone can learn something or the other and keep learning, be successful, stay tuned.